What appealed to me was that it was different to just having a holiday. It was something that I thought to go a bit deeper into people's lives in I hope, not an intrusive way.
That it is actually an opportunity to be involved in community, in culture, to participate and to contribute.
Throughout the journey, they've participated in so many different activities and been immersed in the culture of Nepal. They've been led by Steph and her team to experience the way the country really is and to understand the poverty.
And I have learnt so much about myself, learnt so much about a culture that not a lot of people actually speak about. So the Nepalese culture is just an amazing culture.
It's a great way to have insight into what's going on in a country rather than just being a tourist going by in a bus.
In actual fact, there's been nothing that's been a highlight. The whole thing's been a highlight for me, and I'd recommend it for anyone who wants to experience another culture on a very grassroots level.